Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'll be showing you the snowstorm. Look at that, guys. It's not coming down as hard as before, but it is insane. This snowstorm is called Stella. That's the name. And we were estimated to get 12 to 24 inches, but right now there's no estimated amount of what we got because it's blowing everywhere. Don't ask what that was. Anywho, oh, poor birdie. Okay. Poor birds. Poor squirrels. Probably just hiding in their holes. So let's get a different angle. It's like snowing regularly with like a lot of wind. Before it was 55 miles per hour. So, whoa. There it is. Poor trampoline. So it's coming down, pretty crazy. Now, if it was like a regular snow with like barely any wind, we probably won't be able to get out here because it's a door. Oh, come down here. If you guys can hear that. Before in my other video, I talked really quiet because everyone was still sleeping. But in that, a big gust of wind came. It was crazy. Okay, now that was also the wind blowing it against that. They're like pretty big snowflakes coming down now. So that's that. You guys, most of you that are watching probably know it's snowing out and it's just insane. So let's get the different angles again. Cool. It always goes white like that. That's the window, but yeah, it's insane. I mean, everything is covered. Everything is white. That trampoline, don't worry me. It's been like that for like every time it snowed. But that's that. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys can like post videos if it's snowing by you, if it is, and see what a difference it makes. So, peace out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.